Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Jean Marlin Gray. Take care always and God bless. Thank you po sa mga suporta niyo sa amin.
Happy birthday to you. Happy many more birthday po sa iyo, Miss Jean Marlin.
Hi, hello, Jean Marlin Gray. Happy birthday. More birthdays to come.
And I would like to greet a very happy birthday to Ma'am Jean Marlin Gray.
Ayan, happy birthday po, syempre. Ma'am Jean, happy birthday. Many birthdays to come. Stay healthy. Stay beautiful.
Enjoy everything that this life has to offer. Alam ko busy ka sa birthday mo, but I will be with you in spirit celebrating your special day.
I just want to greet a very happy birthday to Jean Marlin Gray. Maraming salamat po sa inyong constant support at sa constant niyo pong pagsubaybay sa aking singing career po. And I wish you good health and more blessings to come.
Happy birthday. It's Jerome again from Elvis Presley. Ay mali, from the clones.
Yes, thank you!
To our beloved Ate Jean Marlin Gray. Happy birthday po.